Good morning, my YouTube friends. Monica here with my wild style. Remember, God loves you. I am going to show you the foundation of our VersaTube carport build out. So come along and watch us. We have been needing a car cover for our vehicles. We have had so much damage on our vehicles with hail damage, and of course the snows in Wyoming last about 9 months.
You can't see the base, and it just looks like a bunch of spindles sticking up there, but those spindles are hard to put up.
Well, we're done with this phase of the build out, and we've got it strapped down for the 80-mile-an-hour winds in Wyoming. We will bring you back when we get the still on. Just want to thank you for watching the video, and as always, may God bless you.